You can access your Google Contacts through your applications grid at the top right of your screen by clicking here on the contacts icon, or by using the browser shortcut contacts.google.com. In Contacts, you can create a personal contact group called a label. If I wanted to create a contact group, I click on Create Label. And let's say that I wanted my business team to be a private contact group. So I give it that name and I hit Save. You can see now that I do have that label at the left. I simply search for users that I want to be a part of that team. And at the end of their names is a kebab menu. I select that label to apply. Now you can see that that user has been added. I can click here to rename the label. And again, I could go into a contact, into the kebab menu, to add multiple users. Although bulk processing is not allowed, you do need to add people one at a time. So you can see now that I have 4 users in my business team label. Labels don't always show up immediately from contacts when you create them, so you may need to give them an hour or so to gel. In this case, it is showing up. I can use it in mail or calendar. You can see it doesn't have all my participants quite yet, but it will shortly. I can use that in mail or calendar as a handle to write to the members in that private contact group or label. Contact labels cannot be shared in Gmail.